Hello, welcome to a new video. As you know, before 3 days I asked for withdrawal. Here it is. Just to check, does DGPT still paying? Is everything fine? This morning I got it. So for now everything is fine. As I always say, if you join this kind of programs, it's very important to take your money out as soon as possible, at least take initial investment, and after that to play with profit. Yeah. So here I am at my account right now. I have 146 USDT. Tasks are finishing every moment. Some are finished. I'm waiting profit to be added to my account. As you probably know, at the moment I'm at 63.6 USDT daily. Of course, half of it is going back to repurchase accelerators, so pure profit is about 31 to 32 USDT. And when you check funds, I have deposit this, so 190 US dollars, and withdraw this about a little bit less than 600 USDT. I'm still building my account. My goal is to reach 100 USDT daily, so we'll need some more time to reach that point. So I'm not withdrawing as much as I can, but withdrawing from time to time, not to be complete idiot. These kind of programs sometimes just stop, and you don't want to be in a situation where you have done daily tasks for 2 or 3 months and you didn't take anything out, at least your initial investment. And as you can see, profits start coming to my account. Need to refresh the page to see everything. And that's it. Now I will purchase one accelerator that costs 200 USDT. As you can see on my task account, I have 2 USDT, so I need to transfer 198. Now I will go to power, click here, and go here to buy now. One piece. Need to enter my password. Now need to deploy it. And need to click on start so it starts making money. Since I'm still building my account, I'll use some logic to take out the earnings of, let's say, 1 week. I will take 2 or 3 days out to withdraw it and leave 4 or 5 days to build account more. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to join, you have links below this video. You have our Telegram group. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.